Hey guys, this is Marshall over at poolwarehouse.com. Today we're checking out the Aqua Genie in-ground variable speed pool pump. Now, Aqua Genie's produced this pump in 3 different sizes. They have a 1.65 horsepower, a 2.2 horsepower, and a 3 horsepower. So if you got a small pool, really big pool, no water features, tons of water features, everything in between, they got a pump that fits your pool perfectly. A couple quick things on it. It is a 2-inch port pump that includes the unions. Really cool that Aqua Genie included the unions for the pump in the box. That's awesome. You don't typically get that with a lot of pump manufacturers. They made sure to include it in the box. Really cool. This is a true variable speed pump, meaning that it's not like 4 speeds or 6 speeds and you only get that. True variable speed is 1,000 RPM all the way up to 3,450 RPM. Truly variable, full range between that speed. Built-in timers, built-in schedules. Let's dive into the controller and really figure out how all that works. All right, so out of the box, the Aqua Genie comes with 4 preset schedules. Schedule 1 starts at 8 a.m. for 2 hours, running at 2,850 RPM. And then it actually shows you here under this screen here, it shows you all the preset times. We can adjust and change all these, or out of the box, you just let it run at what it's set to out of the box. What I want to show you is how to change those schedules, how to start and stop the pump, show you that it's got a quick clean. It's great for vacuuming the pool. Let's start with, I'm going to start the pump, show you how to get it going. So on this pump, we got it started. It's doing its first schedule at 1,300 RPM. That's what we're at right now. There's the current time, and it's running that speed for 10 hours. That's a timer schedule that we built. Let's learn how to change that over. I'm going to stop the pump, go to speed 1. I'm going to press 1 again. It's asking me to change the RPM. Let's do 1550. Let's do 1555. It's that customizable, down to single RPMs different. I don't know other pumps that can do that. Really cool. We're going to run it starting at 8 a.m. You could also adjust that 8:30, 8:20, whatever time you want to do. Now we're going to run the duration of that schedule starting at 8 a.m. Let's run it for 6 hours. There you go. Schedule 1 is set. Schedule 2. I'm going to adjust this one. Let's say we want to speed up a little bit for schedule 2. We'll set it to 2,400 RPM. We'll start it at 4:30 p.m. Let's just have it run for a couple hours. We don't need it to run that high for that long. There you go. That's how you adjust and change your schedules on the Aqua Genie pump. When you're ready for it to go ahead and start that, I'm going to hit start, speed 2. Now it'll start to kick on. And as you know, we're running at 2,400 RPM. This is a medium-high setting. The maximum is 3,450. For it being running that high, that's pretty quiet. Let's say you need to vacuum the pool. It's in the middle of a schedule. You want to hook up a vac plate, start cleaning the floor of your pool. Just press quick clean. It's going to jump to 2,850 automatically. Doesn't matter what other setting, what other RPM you have it set at. It's going to jump straight to 2,850. The way you can vacuum your pool with good pressure, good suction. And then when you're done doing that, turn quick clean off, go straight back to the setting you had it at. Now, the way these timers and schedules work on the Aqua Genie pump, I call it a priority schedule. So what it does is speed or schedule 1 will be prioritized over 2, 3, and 4. 2 will be prioritized over 3 and 4, and so on. So what you can do with that is, let's say you set schedule 1 to go from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's a 10-hour schedule starting at 8 a.m. If you set the other 3 schedules in that same 10-hour time period, it will skip and ignore those because it's going to make sure schedule 1 finishes before the others. That's an easy way to set your pump up to just have one speed for a set duration and then turn off. You can do it with speed 1 and 2 as long as they don't overlap, but that's the way this timer works, is it's a priority schedule. If you want to simplify it, speed 1, 10-hour schedule, make the other 3 schedules fall within that same 10-hour schedule. Those will be ignored because it's going to make sure schedule 1 goes first. All right, the Aqua Genie pump, super customizable, but also very simple at the same time. If you have any questions on how to operate this pump, or you're looking to purchase an Aqua Genie pump, feel free to reach out to us at poolwarehouse.com.